Picture this, it's game night, big game on television, huge excitement, but where are you? Well, you're stuck at your office desk and your boss has told you to do the double shift tonight. I know it's depressing, it's an all too familiar situation, but fear not, because I've got something to cheer you up. I've got a really exciting menu that I've planned for the boys in the office and they're going to absolutely love it. I've got some mushroom and paneer toast, which is going to be nice and filling, but for the non-vegetarians, I'm going to do a mutton kathi roll, absolutely simple and fantastic, and delectable sticky chicken wings. I can't wait to get cooking. Sir, मेरे को 1 किलो ये दे दीजिए please और 1 किलो ये. Thanks. Thank you. Well, I've got what I need. Now I'm off to cook this stuff. I can't wait to get it to the guys at the office. They should be mighty pleased. This episode is all about the guys that put it together and make me look good too. So let's get straight to them and find out what they have to say about being stuck working in office on game night. Stretching a little.
I'll cut on beat.
Hi, I'm Asabri and I'm the captain of this team.
Hi, I'm Gaurav. Hey, I'm Zarul.
Hi, I'm Surat Goswami.
We're a strong team. We work hard, we play hard, and we love our food.
Editing food shows is fun.
There's so much to learn and it's a great experience.
And with Aditya on our side, it's a winning combination.
We had a lot of fun during the shoots. We in fact played a lot of cricket during the shoots.
I love watching cricket and I have never missed any match.
But I just can't catch this match.
Making sure that our show goes on air on time and there are no problems.
It's payback time, Aditya. My favorite team's playing today and I want some good food to go with the match. Hint, hint, I love paneer.
So here we are. I've got all the ingredients laid out in front of me, as you can see, right here, there, everywhere. My crew's been hard at work. I've got the cameraman Gaurav over here, Divakar over here. Check them out. They've been working very hard setting up the cameras. I've got the director sitting down over there. She's looking at the monitor, making funny faces at me. And behind, dear friend of mine, Zarul. They've been working hard. They want the shoot to get over. Big game on tonight. They all want to finish the stuff. They want to go home or they want to go back to office. They deserve some tasty food because they're the guys who really work hard and they're the guys who really put this all together and make it possible. So I've got a delicious and special menu planned for them. So I'm going to get down to it. I'm going to cook a fantastic mutton kathi rolls. Yes, they're going to love them. I know they're going to love them. I've got some chicken wings, another great favorite, and I know that friend Zarul of mine, one of his special favorites. And then I've got Asabri's favorite, which is your mushroom and paneer toast. Absolutely. So here we are. Let's get on. First and foremost, very simple, we need to marinate our meats. So let's start with our mutton. I've got over here boneless mutton cut into tikka or kebab sized chunks, as you can see, very simple. Ginger garlic paste, turmeric, half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now this is garam masala, just about a quarter teaspoon. So now we're done with all our dry masalas. Now into this, we're putting curd. Now that's going to tenderize our mutton. And a little bit of lime juice. Again, acts as a tenderizer. Not to mention, it gives it a nice lemony, tarty twang to it. Alright, so now let's get in with our hands. The fun part of marination. Okay, so as you can see, the masala is rubbed in nicely. I'm just going to put this down here. So now we're going to get down to the second non-vegetarian item on tonight's game night menu, which is spicy Indian chicken wings. Basically means that we need to marinate it again. Some ginger garlic paste, just a teaspoon. Chopped onion,